Hi everyone, let's go through my fidget collection today. First, I have this slime. It's not a lot though. Sorry. Ugh.
Hey guys. Get away.
Turn up volume for good experience.
Don't touch this.
Next, I have these two butters. Sorry, I'm struggling to get the angle. There. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. So, this one from the mall, this one from Temu. Next, I have this jellyfish. It kind of reminds me of the Nido. But yeah. Then I have this Nido Flower Power Fuzzball. And then this dumpling.
No.
It's the blue glitter. It is the blue glitter. There's still a lot of air in it, but yeah. I like saving this. I like saving this because I don't know. You know what? I actually don't know why, but yeah. Then this Desert Dazzle. It's slime. This is like one of my favorite slimes. Even though it's not like this slime used to be pretty pink, but it's kind of fading. Okay, let me put this back. Grr. Okay. Then I have this cute little guy. He's a zombie. I colored him here. It used to be white right there, but yeah. Flarp noise, buddy. Oh, by the way, this is gonna be like all of my fidgets. Y'all wanna see that bucket? It's a lot. Just not a lot as purple stars. This is farts. Sorry about the noise. Okay, anyway, this is farting, Putty. Okay. Not really ASMR-y, but okay. Now get in there. Okay. And then I just got the dumpling, the fuzzball, and this today. It's like a little fish squishy. This is from Five Below. The dumpling and the Nido is from the mall. Then then these two are from my best friend. They're foam. Kind of hard to squeeze though. Then billions of poppets. Wait, this is gonna be the I'm sorry, I had to move into the room. My dogs were making way too much noise. Then we have this. This is like the classic, except it kind of scares me because I don't like holes at all. Like, tell me, is that kind of creepy? For those with trypophobia, I'm sure you can agree. Yeah. Sorry I'm shaking. If you can see it. And then this cute cake. Tab is squishy. Yeah, some of it's falling off. I like taking off the cherries. Like little cherry bows. I mean, it's kind of cute. And I also like taking off the bottom. To Tabba squishy people who don't like doing this to their squishies, like Tabbas, no offense, but it's actually kind of fun for me. But then I have this mini chicken Tabba squishy. It's a mini guy. Then, yo, I have more poppets, but it's fine. Then I have this cute dumpling Tabba. This was for free at the mall. I'm not going to tell you which mall because I'm not going to give away information. Looks like my putty came out kind of possessed with a smile. Little Pinocchio. Woggly Pinocchio. We gotta take the putty out. Oh my goodness. Oh, it came in the molds. And, okay. I'm so sorry if you see my eyes getting watery. It's because I am kind of tired. Oh, I'm sorry. Next, I have this other needle that I got in the El Paso Mall. It's the Needle Nice Cube. It is so hard. And this, let me show you. Okay, this just turns off by itself. By the way, if you hear thunder, there is a storm going outside right now. So, yeah. Next, I have this little, nice, look at that, little crocheted needle. And my best friend crochets, so she made this. And then I have this really nice slime. I don't know if you guys know what Peachy Babies is, but it's a really popular slime brand. And, oh, no! I dropped it on my carpet, and y'all, I have 2 German Shepherds, and now it is full of hair, bro. You know what? I'm just gonna be annoyed and live with it. I accept my fate, everyone. I'm that one person who accepts my fate. Also, if you go to the Las Cruces Mall, I said I wasn't going to give out any mall information, but I just couldn't hold it in. If you live in Las Cruces, please go to the Las Cruces Mall, because in Jewelry Box, they restocked on Real Neato jellyfishes. And they also have big dumplings. They had that, wait a second. They had dumplings there. They had fake ice cream cones. They sell fake needles, but still, those fake needles are nice, bro. Okay. That took a while. Next, we got this clear putty. I hope this comes out in a good way. Okay, I like a slide. Trust me, if you try pulling this putty apart when you want it to stretch, if you do it too hard, this is what's going to happen. Yep, it gets too rippy. But here's what happens if you do it slowly. Look, it's like, oops, sorry. Slow. It actually stretches. Instead of it, like, just like ripping. I'm sorry. Okay, next is like, I don't know, it's like glazed donuts color. It's like those glazed donuts? It's like the glaze color. This one is super stretchy, even though it's putty. Not a lot of putty is stretchy, believe it or not. Oh, and you might want to go on a certain day. Like, try to go to the Las Cruces Target every day, because they sell like strawberry squishies, peach squishies, duck squishies, like those giant ones. But every time I go, they sell out. So, yeah. So just try to go to Target every day just in case. Like, what if they restock? Like, you don't know. Right? You get it? Okay, next. This is one of my best friend's favorites. It's a different best friend this time, though. She loves my Poppet Ball. It's like so nice. But yeah, that is all of my fidget collection, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you don't mind, do you think you could give this video a like? But I'm not gonna force you, and maybe subscribe. I would love it if you did. Anyways, bye everyone.